Technically, the World Cup may have offered a welcome reprieve from global uncertainty and heavy headlines. Still, there are moments when even the world's most popular distraction falls short. In this next report, we dive into the global economic outlook as the near closure of the Strait of Hormuz plays into extra time and central banks grapple with the fallout.
It's hard to get too excited about a scaled-up World Cup, where ticket prices appear to be rising faster than inflation forecasts. But the macroeconomic situation is simply too uncertain and too fragile. The US and Iran negotiations are underway to reach a compromise to at least reopen the Strait of Hormuz. But the skepticism stems from President Donald Trump, once again repeating an imminent deal with Iran for the 39th time since the first ceasefire announcement back in late March. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has now lasted longer than the First World War. The war in West Asia has entered its fourth month, even if it sometimes feels as if the world has grown used to these conflicts and geopolitical shifts. Energy markets suggest otherwise. Base case scenarios now project a far more risky outlook, assuming Hormuz will continue to be a critical choke point in global oil supply. Prices would eventually soar, potentially reaching $120 to $130 a barrel. Economists have started to revise inflation forecasts upward across the board. Global head of macro research at ING, Carsten Brzezinski, is one of them. The outlook is intensifying stagflationary pressures and worsening the already pressing dilemma for central banks. To look through a typical supply shock or demonstrate a willingness to act and preempt a worse inflation spiral. Either option carries risks. Rate hikes may worsen an economic downswing, but waiting too long could harm hard-won inflation-fighting credibility. It almost looks like a lose-lose situation. The European Central Bank has already pulled the trigger and hiked rates. Other major central banks are set to follow. Right now, the global economy is facing the risk of new supply chain frictions, an energy price shock and higher interest rates. In normal times, a scaled-up World Cup would have offered some welcome distraction and food for nerdy headlines. Unfortunately, there are times when even the world's most popular distraction feels somehow inappropriate to fully dive into. ING's Brzezinski says this month's macro forecast is one of them. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.